Carefully clean all the components of the swing arm joint and grease them using lithium grease. Using a pin of the correct diameter, fit the needle bearing, centering it axially in its housing. Insert the seal rings and then the bush into their seats. Insert the plastic washer into its seat. Place the swing arm into the frame. Install the swing arm pin without tightening it completely. Adjust the end float of the swing arm by bringing the adjustment bush flush and then tightening it by a further quarter of a turn. Making sure that the bush remains in position, tighten the check ring nut to the prescribed torque. Check that the swing arm movement is fluid and without end float, and then tighten the swing arm pin to the prescribed torque. Tighten the joint bolts to the prescribed torque. Install the two rear brake pipe fair leads, tightening the screws to the prescribed torque, and position the brake caliper on the swing arm. Refit the rear wheel, tightening the spindle to the prescribed torque.